Greetings to all culinary enthusiasts of Cooking Tips 5S. Just look at this, a golden caramelized crust of mozzarella stretching into endless tender ribbons. To weave this culinary tapestry, we require a cast of fresh, colourful performers. Please prepare lustrous organic eggs, rich, finely diced mozzarella cheese, a strip of premium smoked bacon, a handful of verdant baby spinach, vibrant yellow and red bell peppers, a succulent, sun-ripened tomato, and a touch of fresh scallions. We begin with a rhythmic preparation on the wooden board. Take the crimson tomato, gently remove the green stem, and let the blade glide through, dicing it into juicy, glistening gems. Next, the smoked bacon has a beautiful marbling of lean meat and fat. Slice it into delicate strips, then fine dice. When these morsels meet the heat, the rendered fat will release an irresistible, smoky aroma that captivates the soul. For the bell peppers, once seeded, skillfully julienne and dice them into tiny square crystals that shimmer like red and yellow topaz. Gather the spinach and scallions, finely mincing them to release their refreshing, earthy fragrance. Once every ingredient is perfectly staged, bring out 3 heat-resistant glass cups. With a decisive crack, drop a whole egg into each. To awaken their natural essence, sprinkle a pinch of sea salt and a warm mist of freshly cracked black pepper. Now we layer. Distribute the minced spinach and scallions evenly across the 3 cups. Using a mini whisk, gently break the yolks and stir until the eggs are intimately entwined with the greens. Continue to fill the cups with savoury bacon bits, the deep red of the diced tomatoes, and the crisp, radiant bell peppers. Finally, tenderly blanket the top with a generous layer of mozzarella, sealing the surface completely. Place these multicolored cups into the air fryer basket. With a touch of the controls, set the timer for exactly 14 minutes and let the heat work its magic. Through the glass, watch as the eggs rise with passion, lifting the cheese as it melts, bubbles, and transforms into an enchanting, blistered golden brown. Place these 3 colourful cups inside the air fryer basket. Touch the control panel, set the cooking time to exactly 14 minutes, and let the heat begin its magic. Through the transparent glass, you can watch the egg slowly puff up, pushing the cheese up, melting, sizzling, and gradually turning into an alluring golden brown. Perfection! Present the steaming cups on a rustic board adorned with crisp lettuce and a delicate cherry blossom for a touch of elegance.